Welcome aboard, everyone, to Sir Boat's Yacht channel. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of eco-friendly luxury with the EcoCat 42 houseboat. If you've ever dreamed of living on the water with style, sustainability, and comfort, this vessel might just be your perfect match. So, grab a coffee, settle in, and let's explore why the EcoCat 42 stands out on the waves. Let's start with the key features that make the EcoCat 42 a standout choice. This houseboat is a solar-powered catamaran, designed with a dual hull structure that provides exceptional stability whether you're cruising or docked. The roof is covered with high-efficiency solar panels, harnessing the sun's energy to power the boat's systems, from lighting to appliances, reducing your reliance on traditional fuel. You'll also find a robust freshwater system with a capacity of around 200 gallons, perfect for extended stays on the water. The boat comes equipped with a hybrid propulsion system, combining electric motors with a small diesel backup, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. For tech lovers, there's an integrated smart control panel that lets you monitor energy usage, water levels, and navigation, all from a touchscreen interface. It's like having a mini command center at your fingertips, making it easy for beginners and seasoned boaters alike to manage their journey. Now, let's talk about the design, because the EcoCat 42 doesn't just function, it turns heads. This houseboat boasts a sleek, modern look with a white and grey exterior that reflects its eco-conscious ethos. The catamaran design, with its two parallel hulls, not only enhances stability but also creates a wide, open deck space that's perfect for lounging or entertaining. The solar panel canopy arches gracefully over the top deck, providing shade while doubling as an energy source. Pretty clever, right? The boat measures 42 feet in length, offering a compact yet spacious footprint that's ideal for navigating rivers, lakes, or coastal waters without feeling cramped. Large panoramic windows wrap around the sides, flooding the interior with natural light and giving you stunning views no matter where you are. The design also incorporates lightweight, durable materials like aluminum and composite panels, keeping the boat efficient and environmentally friendly. It's a blend of form and function that appeals to anyone who loves a good-looking boat with a purpose. Moving inside, the interior features of the EcoCat 42 are where comfort meets innovation. Step aboard, and you're greeted by an open-concept living area that feels surprisingly roomy for a 42-foot vessel. The main saloon features a cozy L-shaped sofa with plush, eco-friendly cushions, perfect for relaxing with a book or watching the water go by. Large windows ensure you're always connected to the scenery, while the neutral color palette, think soft grays and beiges, creates a calming vibe. The kitchen, or galley, is a highlight, with a compact yet fully equipped setup including a solar-powered induction cooktop, a mini fridge, and plenty of storage in pull-out cabinets. It's designed for efficiency, so you can whip up a meal without feeling squeezed. The master bedroom offers a built-in bed with sustainable wood framing and soft linens, plus an ensuite bathroom with a compact eco-shower that recycles water, a game-changer for long trips. There's also a second cabin or convertible space for guests, ensuring the EcoCat 42 can sleep up to 4 comfortably. Every detail, from the ambient LED lighting to the smart storage solutions, is crafted to make life on the water feel like a luxury retreat. When it comes to performance aspects, the EcoCat 42 delivers a smooth and eco-friendly ride. The dual-hull catamaran design cuts through the water with minimal drag, offering a stable platform even in choppy conditions. Great news if you're planning a trip on a windy day. The hybrid propulsion system pairs electric motors, powered by the solar panels and a battery bank, with a small diesel engine for those times when the sun isn't shining. This setup allows for silent, emission-free cruising at speeds up to 6 to 8 knots on electric power alone, which is plenty for leisurely exploration. The diesel backup kicks in for longer hauls or when you need a bit more juice, pushing the boat to around 10 to 12 knots. Fuel efficiency is a big win here, with the hybrid system cutting traditional fuel use by up to 70% compared to conventional houseboats. The boat's lightweight construction also means it handles well, with a shallow draft of about 2 feet, letting you glide into shallow waters where bigger yachts can't go. It's not built for racing, but for a houseboat, its performance strikes a perfect balance between practicality and pleasure. Finally, let's explore the unique selling points that set the EcoCat 42 apart from the crowd. The big draw is its commitment to sustainability. Those solar panels and the hybrid system make it one of the greenest houseboats on the market, appealing to environmentally conscious adventurers. Unlike traditional boats that guzzle fuel, this vessel lets you live off the grid with minimal impact, which is a dream for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint. The spacious deck layout is another standout, offering ample room for outdoor living with a shaded upper deck and an open rear platform, ideal for barbecues or just soaking up the sun. The smart technology integration, like the energy monitoring panel, adds a modern touch that's easy to use, even if you're new to boating. Plus, the EcoCat 42's versatility shines through. Whether you want a weekend getaway or a full-time floating home, its design accommodates both. It's also built to last, with durable materials and a modular layout that allows for customization, so you can tailor it to your lifestyle. For anyone dreaming of a sustainable, stylish life on the water, the EcoCat 42 is a game-changer that combines luxury with a conscience. That wraps up our deep dive into the EcoCat 42 on Sir Boat's Yacht channel. From its innovative features to its stunning design, cozy interiors, solid performance, and unique eco-friendly appeal, this houseboat offers something for everyone. If you're inspired to explore the water in style, let us know in the comments. What's your favorite feature? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more yacht reviews and boating tips. Until next time, keep sailing and stay green. See you on the waves.